Okay, I was able to get the spring off. There's a clip down here on the bottom. There it is right there. That came off pretty easy. There's plenty of videos on how to do this. I did not have a coil spring tightener. I did it with pry bars and a sledgehammer, a little small hand sledge. Once you get it up over that cap right there, you can get it out that way. I took the shock off to do all of that, and of course the sway bar was also disconnected. And then I put the new coil spring spacer in there. That has an actual name, but I forget what it is. The other one was complete trash. And put in the bump stop. And then putting the spring back on was very difficult. When both springs are off, the first spring goes back on very easily, but the second one does not. Even though I did the tilt and I tilted everything the opposite of the one I was working on, and I did take I forget what that thing is called, but I took that apart down there at the knuckle, took that off. Stabilizer, took the stabilizer off to give this more of an ability to drop down. The further down you drop it, the easier it is to get the spring on. So they're pretty close to stretched out now. You can see how far the axle's hanging down. That's about 8 inches to 9 inches or so. And the shock is not completely tight either. So more to come.